Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're continuing the discussion about polyphenols and answering the question, do polyphenols survive cooking? Cooking has a major effect on the concentration and availability of polyphenols in plant foods. The effects vary greatly from one food and polyphenol compound to the next, so there is no uniformity here. Furthermore, different cooking methods also affect the bioavailability of various polyphenols differently. Sometimes the activity of polyphenolic compounds can be enhanced through cooking, while others will be greatly diminished with cooking. Can't win on that one. For instance, onions and tomatoes lose from 75 to 80% of their initial quercetin content after being boiled for 15 minutes. They lose 65% after being cooked in a microwave and 30% after being fried. But at the same time, the bioavailability of other polyphenols in tomatoes can be increased with cooking. In general, boiling plant foods in a lot of liquid causes the most loss of polyphenols in the cooking water. When the liquid is consumed, as in soups and stews, the nutrients are not entirely lost, so bear that in mind. If you enjoy your soups, you're doing well there because what leaches out into the cooking water, you're going to eat. Otherwise, to help reduce the loss of those valuable compounds, cook the food for as short a time possible in the least amount of liquid possible. Steaming plant foods is an excellent alternative to boiling, and it's often the best method for preserving these important compounds when the foods must be cooked. In a nutshell, raw is best if it is something that can be consumed raw. Or cook it in a soup or stew so that you're eating the cooking liquid, or steam it. Okay, those are the best options available to you. The other options are going to cause significant losses of these important compounds, and it's probably best to avoid the other types of cooking methods if you possibly can. I do hope this helps you out. The cooking method does matter. Take care. Bye for now.